Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about what is the right time to start your online business and why you should take massive imperfect action. So everything I'm going to cover in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So also, if you are serious enough to starting your online business and if you need any help with your online business, be sure to check out the first link in the description, that is work with Sebastian program created by my mentor, where you're going to get both high ticket and recurring commission programs to promote and all the resources in the world you need to be successful online. Be sure to check it out. And coming back to today's topic, this was me like a couple of years back. So I was always waiting for that right motivation to get started my online business, or I should have enough money, like this much amount of money while getting started with my online business, or some or the other reason, like I wanted to have this right tripod to start my YouTube channel. I wanted to have the perfect mic to start my these are all kind of excuses I was giving for myself, and I was procrastinating like anything in order to start my online business, because I was always waiting for that perfect time to get started with online business. So for example, so I have lost so much time and so much momentum by thinking about this. So I just don't want, if you're watching this video and if you're just starting out, I don't want you to lose out on time, because money, you can get everything back in life, but you can't get the time that you have lost right now. So it's very important that how you utilize your time. For example, let's say you wanted to have the right motivation to get started your online business. So let's say you are motivated on week number 3 or month number 3 in the current year, but what about month number 1, 2 and week number 1, 2? You already lost them, you are not going to get them. So even when you start with that, it's not going to be perfect at the first go. Just remember this, just accept this fact, it requires hard work, and it's not going to be perfect at the first go. And I don't know who said this, I read somewhere or I heard from someone, done is better than perfect. This is a simple line, done is better than perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to create a mega mass production in order to start your YouTube channel, or you don't have to be a great copywriter to start writing emails in your email list, or you don't have to have that great writing skills in order to create a blog. Everyone starts with something. So for example, if I start my business today, rather than waiting for that right time, which I'm assuming that it's going to come in the 3rd month, so I started it today, no matter how it is. So it cannot be perfect at the first day, but what I did was I learned, I made some mistakes. I learned those, I have learned from those mistakes. And let's say even I got 20% results, only 20% results what I was expecting in March. If I started with everything perfect, I would have got 100% results, but just I got 20% results because I started with day 1. But still that 20% matters a lot, because 20 is always greater than 0. So it is important that you start today, no matter whatever situation you are in. If you're just waiting for that right time, or sunny day, whatever day it is, don't wait for that day. It is your day today, you're gonna take action. So if you want to start YouTube, put out your face and start recording the videos. If you want to start a blog, go ahead and start writing a blog. If you want to create a Facebook ad, or you want to learn ads, take action today. So no matter whatever it is, learn how to take imperfect action. So maybe on day 1, you are not perfect, day 2 you are not perfect, but eventually as the days go along, whatever you are doing, it will become perfect, and you will see massive result in the long run. So this was a small message I just wanted to convey with this video. I hope you got value from this video, guys. And if you need help with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description. And also if you want to connect with me, you can just email me. I'll leave my email address in the description. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.